Shenzhen Reeman Intelligent Equipment Company Limited was founded in 2015. It is a national high-tech enterprise which focusing on robotic platform technology and autonomous driving technology. We have over 6,000 square meters of modern office space, a professional, solid, and energetic technology research and development team, a management team with modern management awareness, and a professional marketing team. Reeman has been focusing on the intelligent robot industry and delve into technology and products in the field of artificial intelligence. At present, there are more than 260 items of completely independent intellectual property rights, various product qualifications, testing, and certification. Reeman has always been adhering to the goal of realizing the commercial success of robots in various fields around the world, and is committed to continuously promoting the huge changes in the commercialization of the robotics industry and creating more and more practical value for users around the world. We always adhere to research and development oriented and innovation driven. Through years of technical accumulation, we have fully mastered the core technology of robots. At present, Reeman has successfully produced a series of robot products, such as commercial service robots, delivery robot, disinfection robot, and robot chassis. As the technological pioneer and leader of the new generation of intelligent robots in China, Reeman always adheres to the user-centered and continues to win the favor of global users with high standard, high performance, and cost-effective, and continuously develop reliable commercial robots to improve customer service efficiency and level.